Welcome back to Cryptocurrency Theory, guys. Want to clarify a few specific things with Bitcoin Cash and Bitcoin Cash, BCHG, Grayscale, just because I know we have a lot of people that watch both. So first off, guys, we have to understand about what has been happening with Bitcoin Cash. I know we might have gotten a little too bullish on the channel. If we do that time to time, guys, that's kind of expected. That's kind of the fun nature of cryptos. We can always be overly bullish, and then we are left with the ultimate dissatisfaction of losing what we never had. So my point is yes, we might have got a little bit too bullish, guys. A couple community members reached out, and I think they said my Bitcoin Cash predictions sucked. So you know, maybe they suck some days, maybe they suck you know, not some days. But I think if people are actually buying when maybe they're saying they suck, then you'd actually find out that here in periods of time they start not to suck. So my point is, guys, is the prices do suck a little bit. All right, right in a second. All right, they came down a little bit. We've been marinating on these prices. We thought 1,000 was inbound. We thought we were going to hit these numbers. But here's what you got to realize, guys, is I've sold Bitcoin Cash much lower. Okay, I bought in Bitcoin Cash much higher. So when you're coming at me a certain type of way, and we're talking about specific predictions, yes, a lot of people jumped in at 600. I told you guys a lot of people were jumping in at 600. We were talking about it ongoingly on the channel while it was happening, and we thought the price was going to go a bit higher. I thought we were going to go up to 1,000. Didn't happen. So you know, here's the thing also, when the prices go down too, do you ever think maybe you can buy more? Do you ever think maybe you can, you know, they call it DCAing, but you can obviously get in at a better deal. But that's all the basic stuff. The thing is really, you're getting in at a great time. And if you came in at 600, like, yeah, it was maybe a little bit too high. But that's no reason to panic. That's no reason to, you know, give up on something that you just basically got in on. That, see, guys, that's what an investment is you hold the investment. Does that make sense? If you guys are thinking about crypto as an investment, I don't think of it as an investment. I think of it as an investment plus aggregated buying power growth in an inflationary environment. That's the way I see crypto, and I spend crypto, guys. So, you know, I don't know how I'm reporting taxes on that. I'm spending it. So, you know, my point is if you're looking at crypto as an investment and you're in some of these Grayscale holding stocks and you're looking for the perfect time to get in, obviously, when we hit 600 on Bitcoin Cash, we were hitting incredible premiums on BCHG. We went up like 20x already from, I don't know, you know, we were under 50 cents for a long period of time. So my point is, guys, is you can't resonate on price jumps that are really irrelevant. All right, I didn't sit around and bitch about buying BCHG at $3 and writing it down to 50 cents. So just be clear, guys, that what we're talking about here on the channel is the ongoing buying. Okay, even in 2023, all those coins I bought at under $100 or $100, I had to spend most of those coins into 2023. That didn't slow me down from going into them. So my point is yes, the prices are a little bit down here in the, you know, the most recent times, it feels like, okay, the most recent times. And yes, I understand some of the community is growing frustrated with me on some of the price predictions I was putting out there. But guys, I always tell you in these price predictions, these are just what I'm thinking is going to happen. A lot of times they don't pan out in terms of prices. So, you know, I even say specifically, I try to go out of my way and say I don't have a specific date, because I really don't. Like, I don't have a specific date for you guys to, or girls and guys and girls to look at for a specific signal on, okay, this is the day I'm buying, this is the day I'm selling. What we find, guys and girls, is and I say this because I believe it was Alyssa that left a comment about this, was the Bitcoin Cash, my predictions suck. So my point is, yes, the prices are down a little bit, but I've also told everybody on the channel, it makes more sense if you guys are thinking about going in on these as investments, right? Take the initial amount you want to invest and say, I'm going to go in over this investment over a period of 6 months or a year or a month even. You know, a lot of times I think people are quick to jump on the investment side without realizing how much and how fast they're going into. So they'll see me super excited about the price because I got the price lower. So I'm going to be more excited about that price if people are getting that FOMO feel, than somebody that's coming out of the position, right? Or, you know, there's people on the channel that say that they're watching me for inverse, you know, buying strategies into their investments. So I don't care what everybody does on the channel in terms of like their personal investments, but I tell you guys and girls how to do it, and how I would do it is, if you see an investment you like, go in with this investment over a certain allotted time period that you delegate, that you want to see this investment perform on a certain, by a certain amount, by a certain date, guys. And I don't have those dates. I don't have that date in my own investment portfolio because I don't see crypto as an investment. I'm going to be buying crypto indefinitely for the rest of my life. I don't plan on not making money for the rest of my life. And I've been making money, but I'm trying to adjust to the inflationary world that we're living in. So it'll just be a matter of time before that starts, you know, making money. And at that point, all that will happen is I will continuously buy more crypto. That's why I keep telling you guys that at the end of the day, for me, the crypto channel is actually about me getting more crypto. I want to make an entertainment brand on crypto, about crypto, that everybody likes. And the reason that everybody likes it is because it's a regimented set of rules that is followed that does take like, I would say, guys, we spot probably 90%, okay, maybe not all of it, but I would say if you're following this channel, you're 90% less likely to end up in a lot of these bad situations in crypto. And that's a pretty big spread, 10% saying we could still fuck up, okay? And the price predictions, I don't call those fuck ups. I call those, I always tell you, I don't have the date, I don't have the date, I don't have the date, I don't have the date. I have the thought of what I think will happen, and a lot of times that doesn't pan out. So obviously, if that's the strategy you're going on, go on the opposite. Go on the opposite. There's people that are in the chat that are apparently making money off me going off the opposite of what I'm saying. So I only know what we're talking about after it happens, guys. I don't know if Bitcoin Cash is going to 1,000 after 600. I would think it would. Just because I thought the FOMO was going to bring us a little higher. I thought we were going to go to about 1,000, 1,200, top out there, go down for a bit, and then double. But we didn't get that. You know, we're sitting at 370. People are freaking out. People are blaming me. You know, people are saying, oh, your price predictions are this and that. Well, guys, if you don't like the price predictions, don't follow them. They're not price predictions for your investments. They're price prediction for my investments. So my investments are going to hit certain numbers because I'm going to keep buying the coins. They're going to get to where they need to go, guys, irrelevant of market conditions, irrelevant of what people think the market's going to do. My coins are going to go higher than most, okay? And that's why they're already up so much. That's why I have such gains in this stuff. And I'm telling you guys about it ongoingly, is because I've already reaped the rewards from it. So that's what we're talking about. Buy crypto ongoingly. That's what we're going to be talking about. Basically, indefinitely. Buy crypto, buy crypto, buy crypto, buy crypto. Because once you start buying it, that's when you start getting more involved, and that's when you start making money in it. So that's all I got, guys. Throw it in the comments. Let me know. Again, no price predictions here on any specific certain dates. We can only try to push the price, okay? That's all we can do.